Okay, this is a video for my mate Sai, who's in Thailand, stuck in a hospital bed during a global pandemic, so unable to get out and hear a car even at the best of times, let alone the deep and a throaty growl of a big bore V8. So, Sai, this is to remind you what real engines sound like when you're at home. Here we go, ready? I'll pop it here. Car's just been washed. You can have a look, it's not in the sunlight. But hopefully it's looking pretty good. And it's shiny orange paint. Let's put it here. I'll go on. Let you remember what these things sound like. Hopefully that makes you remember the sounds of home. There's the orange machine with the green machine behind it. We're missing you heaps, mate, and hopefully we'll see you back soon.